Today we're going to talk about panspermy theory. When it comes to the question of where and how did life start in the earth, there are some interesting puzzles to do with an idea called panspermy. Panspermy is about the exchange of life, things across the universe, and in particular in our solar system. Some scientists feel that life may have had a better chance of getting started, not on the Earth, but perhaps on Mars, because the early chemistry and environment of Mars will have been very, very different than it is today. But then, the life could have been transferred to the Earth later on through, for example, the collision of asteroids, literally sending material from the surface of planet out into space, where it drives and orbits, but eventually bringing it down to the surface of another planet. So we can find pieces of Mars here on the Earth, and we suspect there are pieces of Earth on Mars. So there is definitely been an exchange of materials. If that materials can actually carry living organisms with it, then it is possible Earth that we are Martians, or any life on Mars is actually from Earth. How might we tell whether or not we're related to Martians or Martians are related to us? Well, obviously we can look at the molecular structure of life developed into the gene sequence and into the DNA code itself, and to look for pieces of the code that are ribbed with very common molecules, pieces of the machinery of life, for example, things called ribosomes that help read about our DNA, and both proteins in our cells. If we find the gene sequence for ribosomes in an organism on Mars, that might point to a common origin for life.